Let's shape the green future of rail freight. With energy on board, many things are possible. At the heart of this transformation is Schaeffler's Axlebox generator that enables electrification and automation of freight wagons. Usable for standardized European bogie and axle configurations. For freight wagons, whether new or already in service, we provide a scalable energy solution that powers electrification and automation with autonomous, consistent power delivery. A technology that moves with you. Paired with a custom electronics and battery system from our trusted partner Realtronic, our solution adapts to your individual technical requirements, delivering custom-built performance and maximum reliability. What further use cases can be realized? Please contact us. Pave the way for your innovation with Schaeffler's Axlebox generator and the automation system ITRS, innovative technology for railway systems. Let's continue to drive green mobility.